Hello everybody, welcome to my garden. I'm Rhiannon. I'm from the Berkshire, Buckinghamshire and Oxfordshire Wildlife Trust, more easily referred to as BBAT. We're going to make our very own nests. So the absolute biggest nest in the world comes from the bald eagle. It's a very, very big bird, native to America. And they create nests that are big enough to fit about 6 adults in all at once, and really, really, really tall because they never dismantle it. They keep building up and up and up and up, so it ends up really, really high and really big. One of my absolute favourites is the bowerbird. Now the bowerbird doesn't so much create a nest as a stage, it creates a performance area, and it decorates it with all sorts of colours that it finds. They've been known to use bits of plastic, gems, whatever they can find, and they actually use a really clever way of putting the lighter things at the front and the darker things at the back, so that their nests look even elongated and bigger. So we're going to make one of the more sort of traditional, if you like, more common looking nests that we're used to seeing in our gardens. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pierce the leaf with the wire, and I'm going to pull it up and back down through the leaf, so it's a lot like sewing. So that now is on my wire. So I'm going to do that a few times with different leaves. The next thing you need to do once you've woven them is to start to manipulate them into a circle, so that we're beginning to get our nest shape. And then I'm just going to keep building up the outside so that we eventually get our walls. Have to keep experimenting and see what happens. You can then make yourself a stick ring, and all I'm going to do is put my lovely leaf nest into the little stick ring so that it makes a lovely looking little bird's nest.